Hey everybody. So here's the first activity, activity A, and it's on expressions and equations, and it's going to get us ready for part of the test. So we've been working with slope-intercept form for most of the year so far, and none of these are in slope-intercept form. So it's going to ask you to solve each equation for y. What I'm really asking you to do is take all these and put them in slope-intercept form. Make sure you show your work and justify your steps. So make sure you have everything there, show your thinking so that I can follow your train of thought. So we want to solve for y. So we have to isolate the y on one of the sides. It doesn't matter which side. So for this one, it's easiest just to subtract 2x from both sides. That eliminates it from here. So now it's y equals a negative 2x minus 6. And that's all you have to do. And it's in the y equals mx plus b format. So for this other side, we've got y, again, just like over here on the left side, so we're going to leave it there. So just like over here we subtracted 2x, here we're going to subtract 8x from both sides. I'm going to put it off to the side a little bit. So it's 4y equals. Now, could I have 16 minus 8x? I could. Like we've talked about in class, I like setting it up like this because then it's very familiar, or should be very familiar to you, but it could be flipped around. Now we have to solve this for y, and this is 4y. So just like we've been doing all year, divide both sides by 4, and you get y equals, well, negative 8 divided by 4 is what? It's a negative 2. And 16 divided by 4 is what? You guys know what that is? Yep, it's 4. So here we're done with the second one. So the third one is going to be a lot more of the same, except we've got some parentheses. So we just have to work out the parentheses using the distributive property. So 2 times y is 2y, 2 times 3 is 6. Sometimes I get the answer in my head, and then I just blurt it out. So again, 2 times 3 is 6. Then we add the 4. So now I need to CLT it. 6 plus 4 is 10 equals 4x. Now I need to isolate the y. And so I want to get the y all by itself. So it's easiest just to leave it over here and subtract 10 from both sides. I like to put it off to the side a little bit. So we know this cancels out. So it's 2y equals, and then I just bring these down, 4x minus 10. Again, just like before, we have to get y all by itself. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2, because that cancels out. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and a negative 10 divided by 2 is a negative 5. So again, as always, make sure you let me know if you have any questions on this part. And you're going to see something similar to this on the test. So you really want to be able to handle these types of problems. Thanks. Bye.